This is the program for joining of two strings into another string using C programming. I will explain you step by step. Then first step is that the string S1 is initialized with IAM. The string S2 is initialized with Indian. Then joining of two strings has to be placed in third string S3. Then ij has been declared as integer data type. This for loop is being used for copying first into the S3. Then I equal 0, S1 of I not equal to null, every character. Okay, every character has to be placed in S3. I will be placed, A will be placed, M will be placed in S3. Okay, by using these conditions. Clear? The second condition, j equal 0, then j s2 of j is not equal to null, j plus plus s3 I plus j. I means already first string has been placed, then second string has to be added, then that's why I plus j, because here 1 0 1 2 3. Okay, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0, the second it will be added, the first character will be added, I, then second character like this, the loop will be repeated until up to n character. All these second string is also be placed in string s3 by using this for loop. Then after that, once concatenation has done, then null character has to be placed at the end of the string. Null character has to be placed at the end of the string by using this statement. Then I would like to display the string s3 by using this loop. Okay, then what are the characters has been placed in string s3, all the characters has to be placed by using this condition. Okay, the simple solution for joining of two strings into the another string. If you want to go for execution, I will show you the execution also. Then click here, see here, I clear this one. This is the program I written in online compiler. Then once you run it, okay, then see here, joining of two strings I am Indian is the output. Okay, thank you all for watching my videos.